My biggest fear was the uncertainty behind finding the exact perfect condo that fit all my specifications. Arlington is a very competitive market, so Drew and the Carrie Scholl team did a fantastic job in helping me find the particular buildings that fit what I'm looking for. So what Drew and the Carrie Scholl team did was find a condo off market. There was no competition from any other prospective buyers, and we were able to nail it down and find the condo off market, which was perfect. Drew and the Carrie Scholl team did a fantastic job in helping me find the exact condo that I wanted. Arlington is, as you probably know, very competitive. So what Drew and his team did was they did mail-outs. We narrowed down the dozen to 24 condo buildings to really just 2 buildings that I really liked. He did a mail-out. We spoke to a couple of prospective sellers. We found one that was interested in selling, and we made an offer that he didn't turn down. The end result is obviously I'm at settlement right now, celebrating my new purchase. Drew and his team did a fantastic job in negotiating that they installed brand new hardwood floors as well as repaint to my specifications, and now I'm moving in today. Drew and the Carrie Scholl team are definitely the preferred agents in the Arlington area. They have the expertise, they have the resources to be able to find a building and a unit and a house that fits your exact needs, and they can make it happen for you.